Welcome to my channel. We have a factorial equation to solve in this video. The question is x plus 2 bracket factorial minus 12 times x minus 1 in bracket factorial is equal to 16x factorial. Solution. Before I proceed, I would like you to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, turn on the notification bell, and also leave a comment in the comment section. It is important that you note that sharing is an act of love, and love doesn't cost a thing. Therefore, I would like you to share this video to your loved ones. Let us now solve this problem. But what do we know about the factorial? If I have x factorial, it is the same thing as x times x minus 1 times x minus 2. This part becomes x plus 2, x plus 1, because I'll keep on removing 1. Then I have x and x minus 1 factorial. I'm going to stop at x minus 1 factorial because I need to factorize them out. This part becomes minus 12 times x minus 1 factorial is equal to 16x times x minus 1 factorial. Now I was saying that I need to factorize x minus 1 out so that the factorials can cancel out. So x minus 1 factorial bracket x plus 2, x plus 1 times x minus 12 will remain equals to 16x x minus 1 factorial. So this and this will cancel out comfortably, remaining x plus 2, x plus 1, then x minus 12 is equal to 16x. I have a polynomial of degree 3. If I open these brackets, I have x squared plus x plus 2x plus 2 times x minus 12 is equal to 16x. Solving it further, we'll have x squared plus 3x plus 2 times x minus 12 is equal to 16x. And so x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x minus 12 is equal to 16x. Let us bring 16x to this side. So the polynomial becomes x cubed plus 3x squared minus 14x, because this minus this will give us minus 14 when this crosses, minus 12 is equal to 0. Now, to solve this polynomial, we need to test for the factors. So using the factor theorem, if I put x is equal to 3 here, I will have a balanced equation. So here becomes 3 squared plus 3 times 3 squared minus 14 times 3 minus 12 is equal to 0. Now here is, this is cube, please. Here is 27 plus 27 minus 3 times 14 give us 52, give us 42 rather, minus 12 is equal to 0. Here is 54 minus 54 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3. So a solution is x is equal to 3. Now to find the other factors, the other solutions, we now have to divide this polynomial, which is x cubed plus 3x squared minus 14x minus 12 by x minus 3, which is a factor of this. Now let's remember the factor theorem. The remainder after we divided this by this will be 0. So let's divide. This divided by this is x squared. This times this is x cubed. This by this is minus 3x. Let's subtract. We now have 6x squared remaining. Let's bring out minus 14x and then divide. This divided by this will give us 6x squared. Will give us 6x rather, 6x. This times this will give us 6x squared, and this times this will give us minus 18x. If we subtract, we have 4x remaining. So let's bring down this one, which is minus 12, and then divide again. 4x divided by x will give us 4. 4 times 4 is 4x. 4 times minus 3 is minus 12. If you subtract it, we'll have 0. So x minus 3 is a factor, as well as x squared plus 6x plus 4. We now need to solve the remaining one. Let's remember that we'll have a solution. X is equal to 3. Now, to solve this, x squared plus 6x plus 4 equals to 0. I cannot factorize this, so I will use the quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So x equals to, b is 6, minus 6 plus or minus, and b is 6, that is 36 here for b squared, minus 4 times 4 is 16, because a is 1, so I have 16 here, all over 2 times 1 is 2. X equals to minus 6 plus 36 minus 16 is 20. So what I have here is 20 all over 2, or minus 6 minus root 20 all over 2. X equals to minus 6 plus root 20 is 2 root 5 over 2, or minus 6 minus 2 root 5 over 2. So the solution to this problem is x equals to 3 minus 6 plus 2 root 5 over 2, or minus 6 minus 2 root 5 over 2.